So what are the questions that JAMB will set from Lekki Headmaster? As we look at all the questions that JAMB will select from in this book. Of course, you know that Lekki Headmaster is compulsory for use of English, so just follow. Number one is who is the main protagonist in Lekki Headmaster? A, the school principal. B, the headmaster. C, the teacher. D, the students. E, the local community leader. The answer is what? B, the headmaster. I hope you are following. Number two, what challenges does the headmaster face in the story? In the Lekki Headmaster, A, lack of students in the school to teach. B, resistance from staff. C, overcrowded classrooms. D, financial crisis. E, lack of a school building. What is the main challenge he faces? The main challenge he faces was B. And what is B? Resistance from staff. Okay. The next question is, how does the headmaster manage to implement his reforms? You know that Mr. Ade began to implement some reforms in the school at Lekki, Lagos. What are the methods he implements for his staff? How does the headmaster manage to implement his reforms? A, by using forceful methods. B, by working with his community. C, by giving up after initial resistance. B, D, by bribing the teachers. E, by ignoring the staff's concern. The answer is by working with the community. I hope you are following. Okay, the next one is, what is a major theme in the Lekki Headmaster? What is a major theme in the Lekki Headmaster? A, poverty and equality. B, leadership and authority. C, love and friendship. D, environmental degradation. E, technology in education. One of the major themes is B, leadership and authority. By the way, if you watch this video from beginning to the end, I will show you how you can download a copy of the Lekki Headmaster. Do you want to download a copy of this book, this novel? Just let me know. I will show you how to download it at the end of this video. Just watch and be going. If you want me to send you past questions on your 4 subjects we'll be writing, I will tell you how I will send it to you at the end of this video. Okay, number 5 question is, how does the setting of the school influence the plot of the story? How does the setting, setting is location. How does the setting of the school influence the plot of the story? A, the school is in a rural village, making it hard to implement reforms. B, the school is located in Lekki, a fast developing area, symbolizing the tension between modernity and tradition. C, the setting is irrelevant to the plot. D, the setting emphasizes the theme of nature conservation. E, the school is in an abandoned building, limiting educational success. So how does the setting in the book affect the story? The answer is B. The school is located in Lekki, a fast developing area, symbolizing the tension between modernity and tradition. I hope you are following. At the end of this video, I will tell you how I will send you a copy of this book for you to read too. How is the principal's leadership style characterized in the novel? How is the principal's leadership style shown in the novel? A, autocratic and strict. B, weak and indecisive. C, firm, fair and reformative. D, indifferent and uninterested. E, manipulative and selfish. The answer is firm, fair and reformative. That is number C. Okay, number 7. What role do the students play in the Lekki Headmaster? What role do the students play in the novel Lekki Headmaster? A, they are merely passive characters with no impact in the story. B, they resist the headmaster's reform but later begin to appreciate them. C, they are enthusiastic supporters of the headmaster's leadership from the start. D, they do not affect the outcome of the story. E, They are the main instigators of the conflict in the plot. The answer is B. They resist the headmaster's reform but later begin to appreciate them. Okay, I hope you are following. Remember, at the end of this video, I will share with you how you can get JAMB past question, how you can get JAMB syllabus, and how you can get this book, how you can download this book, The Lekki Headmaster. Number 8, to make the school, what is the headmaster's main goal for the school? What is the major goal of the headmaster? A, to make the school the best in the region. B, to increase students' enrollment. C, to introduce modern technology. D, to improve discipline and academic performance. E, to expand the school building. The answer is to improve discipline and academic performance. I hope you are following. Number 9, how does the headmaster deal with the resistance from teachers? How does the headmaster deal with resistance from teachers? A, he fires the teacher. B, he uses threats to intimidate them. C, he listens to their concerns and gradually changes his approach. D, he punishes them publicly. E, he gives up and accepts their resistance. The answer is what? C. If you have read the novel, you will know that the answer is C. He listens to their concerns and gradually changes his approach. Okay, number 10. What role does the community play in the story, The Lekki Headmaster? A, they are indifferent to the school's affairs. B, they support the headmaster's effort to reform the school. C, they oppose the headmaster's reforms. D, they provide financial aid to the school. E, they influence the headmaster's decision. Let me allow you to answer that one. Which one is the answer? The answer actually is B. They support the headmaster's reform efforts. They support the headmaster's efforts to reform the school. Number 11. I hope you are following. I know you want a copy. At the end of this video, I will share with you how you can get a copy. Number 11. What does the headmaster do to improve the students' behavior? A, he introduces harsh punishment. B, he builds a better school infrastructure. C, he enforces new rules and establishes high expectation. D, he gives incentive for good behavior. E, he ignores the student's behavior. The answer is he enforces new rules and establishes high expectations. Number 12. What is the significance of the school's location in Lekki? A, it is a symbol of modernity and urbanization. B, it makes the school feel isolated. C, it is irrelevant to the plot. D, it reflects the lack of infrastructure in the school. E, it highlights the rural nature of the school. The answer is A. It is a symbol of modernity and urbanization. I hope you are following. Are you still following? Okay. Number 13. How does the headmaster's leadership affect the teachers? A, teachers are demoralized. B, teachers become more dedicated to their work. C, teachers become less motivated. D, teachers resist the reforms. E, teachers quit their jobs. The answer becomes B. Teachers become more dedicated to their work. Number 14. Okay, you answer this one. What is the attitude of the headmaster towards education? A, he is indifferent towards them. B, he views it as a means of personal gain. C, he believes it is a school for social change. It is a tool for social change. D, he sees it as a burden. E, he does not value education. The answer is C. He believes it is a tool for social change. Number 15. What impact does the headmaster's approach have on the students? A, students become more rebellious. B, students improve academically and behaviorally. C, students drop out of the school. D, students begin to disrespect the headmaster. E, students ignore the reforms. The answer is B. Students improve academically and behaviorally. I hope you are following. At the end of this video, I will share with you how you can download a copy of the LEKKI Headmaster. I will also share with you how you can I will send to you past questions on your 4 JAMB subjects, including use of English and also the JAMB syllabus. Okay, but that is if you watch this video from now to the end. Number 16. What is the central conflict in the story? A. The headmaster's struggle with his personal life. B. The headmaster's conflict with corrupt government officials. C. The headmaster's struggle to implement reforms in the face of resistance. D. The headmaster's financial problems. E. The student's refusal to attend school. The answer is the headmaster's struggle to implement reforms in the face of resistance. Number 17. How does the novel explore the theme of change? A. Through the introduction of new technology. B. By showing the difficulty of overcoming resistance to change. C. By focusing on economic reforms. D. Through the development of characters, personalities. E. By describing the physical changes in the school building. The answer is B. By showing the difficulty in overcoming resistance to change. Number 18. Who supports the headmaster's vision for the reform? Who supports the headmaster's vision for the reform? A. Only the teachers. B. The students and the community members. C. Only the principal. D. Only the government. E. Only the local community leaders. The answer is the students and community members. Okay? When you read the book, when I send you this novel, the LEKKI Headmaster, I will send it to you at the end of this video. You'll be able to answer these questions on your own. So you can come back to this video and say watch and see how many you can get. How does the headmaster encourage students to perform better academically? A. By offering financial reward. B. By maintaining strict discipline and holding them accountable. C. By using forceful tactics. D. By reducing schoolwork. E. By ignoring the academic performance. The answer is what? B. By maintaining strict discipline and holding them accountable. I hope you are following. Number 20. These are questions that JAMB will pick from in asking you questions from LEKKI Headmaster in use of English. Okay. Number 20. What is the headmaster's approach to discipline in the school? A. He is lenient and forgiving. B. He is strict but fair. C. He ignores misbehavior. D. He punishes students harshly. E. He uses a reward to encourage good behavior. The answer is B. He is strict but fair. Okay. Number 21. What key factor helps the headmaster in implementing his reforms? A. Strong financial backing. B. Okay, let's continue. B. Support from the teachers and students. C. Political connections. D. His strict and authoritative nature. E. Pressure from the local government. What factor helped this headmaster in implementing his reform? The answer is B. Support from the teachers and students. Number 22. How does the headmaster's leadership style contrast with that of previous administrators? That is, administrators in the school before he was posted. A. He is more authoritarian. B. He is more collaborative and open to feedback. C. He ignores students' needs. D. He is less focused on academic excellence. E. He emphasizes individual achievement over collective success. The answer is B. He is more collaborative and open to feedback. Number 23. What does the headmaster do to gain the trust of the teachers? What does the headmaster do to gain the trust of the teachers? A. He rewards them with financial incentive. B. He involves them in decision making processes. C. He forces them to follow strict rules. D. He isolates them from the students. E. He ignores their consent. The answer is B. He involves them in decision-making processes. Number 24. What is the headmaster's main challenge in the school? A. Lack of funding. B. The resistance of teachers and staff. C. Students' reluctance to attend school. D. Political interference. E. Poor infrastructure. The answer is the resistance of teachers and staff. Number 25. How does the headmaster handle the issue of corruption in the school? A. He ignores it and focuses on his duties. B. He exposes and deals with corrupt individuals openly. C. He uses bribes to get things done. D. He becomes involved in corruption himself. E. He convinces the community to overlook it. The answer is B. He exposes and deals with corrupt individuals openly. Which of the following is a significant event in the headmaster's journey? A. The opening of a new school branch. B. The headmaster's public confrontation with a resistant teacher. C. The discovery of a hidden talent among students. D. The construction of new classrooms. E. A major examination success. The answer is what? B. The headmaster's public confrontation with a resistant teacher. Number 27. I hope you are following. At the end of this video, I will share with you, I will send you a copy of the LEKKI Headmaster. I will also send you copies of your past questions in the subjects you'll be writing. I will also send you the syllabus. So watch till the end. So I will share with you what you can do to get those things. I will share with you those things free of charge. What does the headmaster's reform program emphasize most? A. Physical education. B. Academic excellence and discipline. C. Modern technology in the classroom. D. Sports and extracurricular activities. E. Financial management skills. The answer is academic excellence and discipline. Number 28. How does the headmaster ensure that the reforms are sustainable? A. By training teachers to maintain the new systems. B. By making the reforms temporary. C. By using force to maintain order. D. By only focusing on short-term improvement. E. By relying on government intervention. The answer is A. By training teachers to maintain the new system. Number 29, we look at what personal qualities make the headmaster a successful leader. A. Humility and lack of ambition. B. Harshness and intolerance. C. Visionary thinking and commitment. D. Indifference to the community's need. E. Strictness and fear-inducing leadership. The answer is what? Visionary thinking and commitment. The next question is, how does the headmaster balance the need of the students and the teachers? Okay, before we continue with the remaining questions, if you want me to send you this book, just subscribe to this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. When you subscribe, like this video, click on like, then subscribe, then share this video too. Just click on share, copy the link and share. Then come under the comment of this video, very important. Come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once you type I have subscribed, I or my staff will now share with you these materials, the novel, the syllables, and the past questions you will need. Now, in the next video, we will continue with other questions, like we'll continue from question 30 and co. So just share this video, like this video, then comment I have subscribed, then we can send you all the materials I have promised you.